Your Nintendo Switch can store multiple Wi-Fi networks, allowing seamless connection when moving between home, school, or hotspots. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set up and manage these networks efficiently. Let's get started. So open up your Switch, then from Home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet. Now on the other side, open Internet Settings. Wait while the Switch scans for nearby networks. Once your Wi-Fi network shows up, select it from the list. Now use the touch keyboard to enter your password. After that, tap OK. Wait for it to connect. Once it's connected, select a new Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. Basically, repeat the process for any other networks you use regularly. After you're satisfied with the numbers, those different Wi-Fi networks will be saved on your Switch. The Switch saves multiple Wi-Fi connections and switches to the available one based on signal strength and location. If two networks are in range, it'll try the most recently connected one first. Now you know how to connect your Nintendo Switch to multiple Wi-Fi networks. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.